Welcome to PNW Enduro. Checking out a new area today. My riding goal for 2024 is to hit 10 new areas that I've never been to. Today is number 1. I got Jeff out in front on the Sherco leading us, Arthur and Noah, and Mark behind me. We got 1 carb bike and 4 TBIs today. It's gonna be mostly a flowy ride. Get up onto some mountain ridge lines, a bit of exposure. Should be a good day. Pretty dusty, so we're all deliberately spacing out. Quite different from my last couple rides in the lush rainforest. Now we're into the interior. It's drier, bigger elevation. Be some pretty cool stuff though. I'm excited for this new ride. I was thinking about taking the 4-stroke today because a lot of this is going to be pretty flowy, but I'm really digging the new Husky, particularly the new chassis. It just fits me so well. Lucky it's fairly cool out today. This area can get really, really hot. I'm packing 2 fuel bottles today. I got one on the fender, you can see, and then I got a smaller one on the side of my pack. Should be good for fuel, but you never know what happens when you're out in the big mountains. Okay, this next trail should be the highlight of the ride. I'm giving lots of space to everyone in front of me so I can actually see and enjoy it. Getting onto some side hill stuff here. Pretty sweet. That's wicked. Definitely not expecting to be riding in a snowstorm today. Thanks. 2 more. Goes to show you never know what's gonna happen in the mountains. I usually always pack a rain jacket, and for some reason today, I guess looking at the forecast, I didn't throw it in my bag. Could have used it, it's a little cold. Really cool rock formations here, so neat.